Hi, third graders, it's Mrs. Mangan here, and today I'm going to talk to you about one characteristic of poetry called white space and how we can use white space to create a shape. So, what is white space? White space is where the author chooses not to put words. It's the background of a poem. That's the white space. But this can often form a shape that connects to the word's meaning. So, white space around the words can give the poem shape. Let's look at this house poem. Look at where the author chooses to leave white space. And why do they do that? I am a house, my heart filled with happy things, with warmth and love whenever you're near. I find myself cozy here in this place you found, inside my heart today, a house I'll forever be if you're here with me. Now, notice this poem is about a house and it's in the shape of a house, but they didn't just kind of jam the words in to make it fit. The author purposely picked phrases and lines that were the same size as what they needed. And you'll also notice they ended the lines in certain places that made sense. So near and here are rhyming, and be and me are rhyming. And so this author was very purposeful for creating lines that fit to create the shape of a house. Cool. Let's look at this one. It's called Dripsy Dropsy. Let's try reading this one aloud to yourself in the way the author wanted you to, using the white space, and think, why did the author use white space in the way that she did? So pause the video, read it out loud, and think, why did they do that? All right, so if you're back, you've read this poem about rain and how rain is falling to the ground. And you probably realize that they put this white space around it and they only put the words here to show that it was slanted, like it was really falling. So that's a really cool way that you as an author and you as a poet can use white space to create shape. In this poem called Sprinkler, the author put all of the words and the lines scattered across the page. You can do that too, as long as it makes sense. And of course, the content of the words about sprinklers match the movement of a sprinkler. Let's read it. Chilly twinkler, water sprinkler, big drops flash. Hurry, dash, you can enter through the center, or just wait, standing straight. Let that spray head your way. Get wet, jump out, and always shout. So just like a sprinkler, the words are spread out all around. In this poem, I am winding through a maze. The content is a maze. So the author and the poet put it into a maze shape. Amazing use of white space. And remember, it's got to match the maze picture and the maze content. Makes sense. Look at this one. I am stuck inside a seashell. And what's the shape? It looks like a seashell. Awesome. You guys today have a challenge. I want you to find examples of this. So while you're reading poetry today, whether in books you have at home, Googling some poetry, or using the websites we provided on our blogs, see if you notice any white space usage and think, why did the author make those decisions and how does it add to the meaning of the poem? So if the poem is about rain, are they using white space that makes it look like it's dropping? If the poem is about a cat, is it in the shape of a cat? And how does that add to the meaning? I also want you to try it. Go write some poetry today. See if you can use white space. What shape do you want your poem to make? So when you've come up with an idea, the third grade teachers and I want you to have something at home, whether it's a folder with paper in it, or if you can find a notebook somewhere, and dedicate it to be your poetry notebook for the next few weeks so you can have a collection, an anthology of your own poetry. When you write your poem using white space and creating a shape today, snap a picture of it, put it on Seesaw, and read your poem for us to see. We cannot wait to see what shape your poem has made. Good luck, poets. Have a great day.